Hello everyone. We are going to learn 5 prepositions. They are on, in, under, near and between. Let's learn the 5 prepositions. Where is the flower vase? The flower vase is on the table. Where is the bird? The bird is on the fence. Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. Where is the fish? The fish is in the fish bowl. Where is the cat? The cat is under the table. Where is the bicycle? The bicycle is under the tree. Where is the bike? The bike is near the house. Where is the boy? The boy is near the car. Where is the bottle? The bottle is between the 2 boxes. Where is the teddy bear? The teddy bear is between the bag and the 2 books. Please subscribe my channel. This is Master English. Thank you.